My day. I wake up every morning at 7 o'clock. I take a shower and eat my breakfast. I usually have toast or cereal. After breakfast, I brush my teeth and put on my clothes. Then, it's time to catch the school bus. I ride the bus to school. In my class, we have math and English before recess. At recess time, the girls skip or walk around and talk. The boys play in the playground or play baseball. After recess, we have physical education and geography. We eat lunch, and then we play outside. When the bell rings, we line up to go back into the classroom. After lunch, we have history and science. At recess, we play ball again. Some of the girls play ball too. In the winter, we build snowmen. If it is too cold, we stay indoors and talk to each other. After recess, we have music and health. We get out of school at 3:30. I sometimes walk home with my friends, or I take the bus. I have a snack and change my clothes when I get home. If it is raining, I watch television. If it is nice outside, I play with my friends. I have supper at 5:30. On some nights, I help my mother to do the dishes. After supper, I do my homework. Then I wash my face and hands and brush my teeth. I change into my pajamas and go to bed at 9 o'clock.